Taylor has been obsessed with this song. She's craving chickens. She wants Popeyes. So I'm going to get her Popeyes in the morning. She also tells me that her car needs maintenance. I could have just dropped the car to the dealership and let her drive me back. Then we fetch it and then we go to Popeyes together. But no, I'm going to do it myself for her. Before we got married, I tried to buy her flowers every week, and sometimes she tells me, you can just buy me plants. Now she has a few plants. The proper way to get into her heart is to change the oil and get Popeyes. That's marriage. Okay, let's go. This place oil change is 2-3 miles away, and it takes a couple hours to do it. I'm not waiting here for a couple hours, so I'm going to run home. Halfway through, still feeling good. I don't know why, but all the way I don't see anyone walking on the street. I'm back to my other car. I made a mistake. I forgot to eat or drink before I was running. But it's okay. Time for Popeye. What do you want from Popeye?
Chicken tender.
Got it. Baby!
They gave me 3 ranch, ketchup, hot sauce. Ooh.
It's okay, I only put your hands.
Ooh. Let me make a plate.
I ran!
Alright, bye.